him for a 6. Now the pressure is on Irfan Pathan. Goes for it again. What a catch! Oh, what a catch that is! We're running a contest on Star Sports for the catch of the year. That's got to go in right away into that one. That ball was travelling. He has timed his jump better than a computer could have. That is awesome. Just tells you why, if you're a thrilling fielder, you can turn matches around. Yes, Yuvraj Singh has been an outstanding fielder for India. Oh, this is a fantastic catch. The timing of the jump.
Brilliantly done. Tossed him here. That's a magnificent take. Remarkable catch. Flying through the air.
Well, he got a moral victory the ball before. Now then he bowled a very ordinary delivery, and Smith went to hit it away. Really didn't get on top of it. It went. That's a brilliant take. It almost got away from him, but in the air.
That's in the air. This is going to be caught, is it? Oh, yes. Oh, beautifully taken. Beautifully taken. Well, I hope he hasn't hurt himself. Yuvraj Singh, is it? He's on the ground there. But he caught a bump ball a minute ago. And now he's gone and taken a magnificent catch running backwards. Well done.
This is a tremendous effort. You saw him diving across to his left in the previous over. Have a look at this. One thing for sure is that he attacks the ball. That's a brilliant catch. Leaning forward, 2 hands under the ball. And even though he loses balance, he comes up with the ball.
Out there, plenty of men in the circle. That's gone in the air, and what a catch! Brilliantly taken by Yuvraj Singh. That is really a stunner. Magnificent catch by Yuvraj Singh.
Well, he's damaged something, but it won't matter. The pain won't feel quite as bad. Well, we've talked about his catching in the gully, backward point area. Here's on the sweet little top edge, flies rather quickly and flat. Oh, absolutely.
What a way to finish the game. Harbhajan Singh tossing this one up. Ashish Nehra could not resist, hitting that one very high in the air. Yuvraj Singh in the end had to dive to take that catch. He had to run behind, look over his shoulder, and then the last attempt he had to dive. He had to actually fling himself in order to get his catching hand under that ball, and he managed to take that catch.
That's in the air, taken. There you go. Just relaxing a bit. The weight really not onto the front foot, and Yuvraj Singh has pulled off a beauty.
What a great catch from one of the best fielders in world cricket, and this is a very, very crucial wicket. It was placed slightly on the up, there was no movement at all, and he was in a start, and what a catch that was. A beauty from Yuvraj Singh. It could be a match-winning catch from Yuvraj.
Yes, the team gets into a huddle again. The balance shifts once again. Moin Khan goes for 10. Pakistan 152 for 6.
ऑन द राइस खेला था, कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया, किस तरह कैच लिया है, बहुत जबरदस्त एंटिसिपेशन युवराज सिंह का यहाँ।